Istanbul Airport is one of the busiest airports in the world, serving millions of passengers each year. With so many options for airport transfer companies, it can be overwhelming to choose the best one for your needs. Here are some tips to help you make the right choice. First and foremost, consider the reputation of the transfer company. Look for reviews online and ask for recommendations from friends or family who have used airport transfer services in Istanbul. A reputable company will have good customer reviews and a track record of providing reliable and efficient service. Next, consider the fleet of vehicles available. Depending on your group size and luggage requirements, you may need a specific type of vehicle, such as a sedan, minivan, or bus. Make sure the transfer company has a variety of vehicles to choose from to accommodate your needs. Another important factor to consider is the cost of the transfer service. While it's important to stick to your budget, be wary of companies that offer unusually low prices, as this could be a sign of subpar service. Look for a company that offers competitive rates while still maintaining high standards of quality. Lastly, consider the level of customer service provided by the transfer company. A good company will have well-trained and professional drivers who are courteous and knowledgeable about the city. They should also have a customer service team available to assist you with any questions or concerns before, during, and after your transfer. By considering these factors, you can choose the best Istanbul Airport transfer company for a smooth and stress-free travel experience.